Ojo, nandanawe magana to Sterling Indishnakas, Magizi and Nindinishnabe, Ejnakazawan. Vindigan, Nongo, Manishnabemuin, Geek Non Jagawin. Welcome to Words of the Day in Ojibwe. My name is Sterling. My native name is Bald Eagle Man. So I'm going to give you the 7 grandfather teachings today. Here we go. Minad and Demuin, respect. Akodewin, courage. Zagedwin, love. Debad and Dizuin, humility. Guayakwa Dizuin, honesty. Debwewin, truth. Nibwakawin, wisdom. And now from all of these 7 teachings, if you put these 7 teachings into your life, you will get Wayako Chagawin, which is integrity, living the right way of life. And then it'll be easier for you to find Miigwech, the shit house. You can throw all your stuff over there. Miigwech, bisin duwiyag. Pamapi.